So here's how to block ads on Android phone in 5 minutes. So first off, start by opening the Play Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. In the search bar, type in Ad Blocker. After that, select the app that you want from the suggested results. Now, tap on Install. Wait for the app to download. Once it is installed, tap on Open below it to open the app. Explore the app and manage the settings according to your preference. You have now successfully downloaded an ad blocker app on your phone. This way, you will have a seamless experience on the internet. You will also be protected from malicious ads that you receive from different sites. And that's it. Now, you can easily block all the ads on your phone.